Hey guys, in this video we are going to explore various operations you can perform on strings. You can't use all operations on strings, so I have listed the ones you can apply. We will cover arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, loops, and membership operations, in and out in. Let's start with the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, you can use only two arithmetic operators with simple plus symbol for concatenation and multiplication symbol. Concatenation with plus operator. Concatenation means adding two strings together. For example, string assigns hello, string 2 assigns word, result assigns string 1 plus double quotes empty plus str2. Print result, output hello word. You can use the plus operator multiple times to concatenate more strings. Multiplication with steric operators. Multiplication repeats the string multiple times. For example, str1 assigns hello, result assigns str multiplied by 3. Print result, the output is hello, hello, hello. Relational operators. Relational operators compare strings. These includes greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, etc. Example, print hello equals to word, output is false. Print hello is not equal to word, output is true. Print apple is less than banana, output is true. Comparisons are done lexicographically. Dictionary order. Uppercase letters comes before the lowercase letters. Logical operators. The logical operators and, or, not can also be used with strings. Empty strings are considered false and non-empty strings are true. Examples, print and hello, output empty string. Print hello or, output hello. Print not hello, output false. Loops. You can run loops to iterate over each character in string. Example, str1 assigns hello word. For character in str1, print character. You can also use slicing with loops to customize the output. Example, str assigns hello word. Print str into 2:7. Output is LLOW. Print str1 : -1. Output DLROW capital H. Membership operations. Membership operations check if a substring exists within a string. Example, str1 assigns hello word. Print H in str1, output is true. Print H in str1, output is false. Print word not in str1, output is false. String formatting. You can use formatted strings for better readability. Name assigns John, age assigns 25. Print F, my name is name and I am age years old. Removing white spaces. Use strip, list strip and rs strip to remove white spaces. str1 assigns : hello. Print str1.strip, output is hello. Case conversion. Use upper, lower, capitalize and title for case conversion. str1 assigns hello word. Print str1.upper, output is hello word. The output is in capital letters. Finding substrings. Use find to locate strings. str1 assigns hello word. Print str1.find word. Output is 6. These are the primary strings operations you can perform in Python. Keep practicing these and you will find them incredibly useful in your programming journey. Thank you.